We believe that the children are our future. They embody everything, our hopes, our dreams, our aspirations for a better world. And we launched EKIA in 2011. Our intention was to build a community that is rich in culture and bring high quality education to Bangalore. The vision of EKIA is to really bring together a community of learners, thinkers, doers and change makers. We really want our students to go forward in this world and the ability to do what they want to do.
We believe that curriculum should be taken outside of the classrooms. We don't do traditional methods where there's textbooks and children copy it down. We make it more experiential.
Assessment is different in the sense it is more project-based, and it's not something the children can actually study from a book.
The first thing which really caught my attention was that children are studying in natural light, natural air.
I like EKIA because of the atmosphere. It's a lovely neighborhood where it's situated with plenty of trees.
Your interpersonal skills are given a lot of importance. The teachers are really encourage us to do what we want.
Facilities which we have are really nice. Like we have a lab which is very well maintained, and we have a terrace. We used to do our yoga over there and it was really relaxing.
And the library which was equipped with cushions which the children could be happy reading on.
EKIA is a happy place, fundamentally. We want students to really develop friendships that they will never forget and feel safe enough to learn, safe enough to make mistakes.
Learning has become stress-free. Our goal is to make them independent learners. They're not receivers of knowledge, but they should be constructors of knowledge.
I get to learn more things, I get to understand more things. That's what makes me happy studying here.
I think each one is learning, be it a teacher, be it a student. I think each day in EKIA is a learning experience.
Nobody says keep quiet. They have this symbol. Now these are all again things which are not in the curriculum.
The whole concept of education is changing from mere learning and giving exams to developing a personality.
We get an affirmation, that is the teacher. She writes what she likes about the class or the person and we paste it on a chart. That culture is something which is very special to EKIA because we realize what are our strong points and how we can take those strong points forward.
Our motto is to groom them into becoming those good human beings who can heal this world and take care of it.
EKIA makes you feel at home.
The people are so nice and kind and the teachers are so amazing, so I really love EKIA.
As educators, we are privileged to have this opportunity to change the world, literally. Students of EKIA are going to hold important positions in the future. They are going to be compassionate, passionate, kind. They're going to inspire, they're going to achieve. And however old they grow, we want them to really remember that they're all learners at heart and they're learning for life.